So another tip that I have is you can wash your posts off immediately, which is fine, but it kind of dilutes the concrete on the top a little bit. I'll usually set about 3 or 4, maybe 5. And then I'll come back, and when you wash the post off, it always looks more professional when you wash the post and you don't have a bunch of concrete on here. So I'll come through and I'll wash these off. And then while you're in here, it doesn't take but a second to just go around the edge of this. Now the mud is firm enough. And just take your fingers around here and go like that. And just pat the mud back up on here. You don't need a trowel or anything. And you're gonna see immediately by the water that you put in here, what will settle and what will actually run off. So you don't want your post sitting in water. You want, you know, some type of drainage around there so it doesn't rot. So I usually build this up like that, and what that means is this will drain off. So now it's got a slight dome to it. So you have a clean post, customer will be happy, looks professional, nice and clean, and then you also have drainage. So if you just leave that flat, you can tell that looks like crap, and so does that. So at the end, you're gonna look at this nice fence, you can already see the difference. One drains water and it's clean, and one is dirty and it doesn't drain water. You can see it would just puddle up right here at the base, and then that's what's going to cause it to just sit there and rot over all the years and probably snap off prematurely just like that. Anyway, that's the tip I have for cleaning posts and getting some proper drainage going. Hopefully you found it helpful. You're out doing your jobs, trying to make them look nice and professional. You get a good reputation for doing good work, you'll always get more work. You go home feeling good about what you've done. Customer will be happy with the work you've done. It's kind of like a win-win situation. Takes a little extra time, but it's worth it. If you're gonna be a professional, it's worth it. Nice clean looking posts. All right, anyway, that's the tip. Hopefully you found it helpful.